In 2025, the humble kitchen blender has evolved into a high-performance powerhouse capable of crushing ice like snow, blending frozen fruit into silk, and whipping up smoothies so creamy that could pass for dessert. Forget the clunky machines of the past. Today's top models combine razor-sharp blade engineering, precision speed control, and next-gen motor efficiency to handle anything from green detox blends to protein-packed shakes in seconds. Some even pack smart features like auto texture sensors and noise dampening tech, proving that performance doesn't have to sound like a jet engine. In this ranking, we've handpicked the blenders that strike the perfect balance between raw blending power, durability, and user-friendly design, so you can turn your kitchen into a smoothie bar without breaking a sweat. Or your countertop.
Fifth place goes to the NutriBullet ZNB30100Z Pr, a compact yet surprisingly capable personal blender that proves small size doesn't mean small performance. Its sleek design with premium finishes looks right at home on any countertop, while the 32-ounce BPA-free cup hits the sweet spot for 1 or 2 servings of your favorite smoothie, shake, or blended dessert. The upgraded Easy Twist extractor blade now comes with improved grip handles, making it effortless to secure and remove without spills or leaks. Under the hood, a 1,000-watt motor drives the blades with enough force to tear through frozen fruit, leafy greens, and seeds in seconds, delivering smooth, consistent textures. Despite its power, the footprint remains slim, so it won't hog precious counter space. It's the kind of everyday blender that makes quick blends easy, clean up fast, and the results consistently satisfying. Perfect for those who want quality performance without jumping into full-size premium territory.
Fourth place goes to the Foodi SS101, a compact yet high-performance blender designed for far more than just smoothies. At its core is a 1200 peak watt smart torque motor that powers through dense loads without stalling, letting you tackle everything from thick smoothie bowls to nut butters and frozen desserts. The set includes a 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker with a built-in tamper, ideal for blending with minimal liquid, and a 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup for silky, nutrient-packed drinks. Its 6 Auto IQ programs take the guesswork out of blending by combining timed pulses, blends, and pauses for consistent results at the push of a button. Whether you're making spreads, sauces, or crushed ice drinks, the SS101 handles it with ease. The design also makes cleanup simple. Both cups, blades, and lids are dishwasher safe, and the base is easy to wipe down. If there's a trade-off, it's the noise level, especially when working with frozen ingredients, and the larger base footprint compared to basic personal blenders. Still, for versatility, speed, and precision in a compact package, this Ninja earns its spot as a standout mid-tier choice in 2025.
Breville's Fresh and Furious proves that a mid-tier countertop blender can feel truly premium without jumping into the ultra-high-end price bracket. Its 1100-watt motor is tuned for balance, powerful enough to crush ice into snow and puree fibrous greens into a perfectly smooth drink, yet controlled enough to avoid over-processing delicate ingredients like herbs or soft fruit. The wide, contoured 50-ounce BPA-free jar creates a strong vortex, pulling ingredients down toward the surgical-grade stainless steel blades for even blending without the need to stop and scrape. Breville's pre-programmed one-touch settings, including Smoothie, Green Smoothie, and Ice Crush, give consistent results, while the dedicated pulse and variable speed dial offer manual control when you want it. The design is sleek, with a sturdy metal base and a low profile that fits under most kitchen cabinets. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and an auto-clean function that uses a quick burst of water and detergent. If there's a limitation, it's that it won't match the sheer raw torque of a Vitamix for nut butters or hot soups, but for smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and daily blending, the Fresh and Furious hits an exceptional sweet spot in performance, durability, and ease of use.
The Vitamix E310 is where we cross into true premium blending performance, bringing commercial-grade engineering into a home-friendly form. Its 2-horsepower motor delivers relentless torque, turning ice into snow in seconds, and pulverizing tough ingredients like carrots, almonds, and kale stems into velvety, smooth blends. The 48-ounce BPA-free container is slightly smaller than on flagship Vitamix models, making it ideal for households that want pro-level results without a towering footprint. What sets the E310 apart is control. The variable 10-speed dial and dedicated pulse switch let you fine-tune texture, whether you're crafting a silky smoothie, a chunky salsa, or even kneading dough. The stainless steel blades are built to withstand years of heavy use, and the cooling system prevents overheating during long blending sessions. Cleanup is quick. Just add warm water and a drop of soap, run it for 30 seconds, and it's ready for the next job. The only real downsides are the price and noise. It's a serious investment and not the quietest machine, but the payoff is unmatched consistency, durability, and versatility. For those ready to step into near-professional territory, the E310 delivers the Vitamix experience without overspending on larger, more feature-heavy models.
At the summit of our 2025 ranking stands the Blendtec Designer 725, a blender built for those who want commercial-level muscle paired with modern smart tech. Under its sleek, low-profile housing is a 3.8 peak horsepower motor, one of the most powerful you can get in a home blender, capable of vaporizing ice, nuts, and fibrous vegetables into perfectly smooth blends in seconds. The patented blunt blades, thicker and stronger than typical sharp designs, pulverize ingredients through sheer force, lasting years without dulling. Its illuminated capacitive touch interface offers 6 pre-programmed cycles, from smoothies and frozen treats to hot soups and mixed drinks, while the 100-speed capacitive slider lets you fine-tune texture with unmatched precision. A built-in Smart Blend technology even detects potential blending issues, offering on-screen prompts to fix them before they affect your results. The Wild Side Plus jar design, with its unique fifth side, improves circulation and eliminates dead zones, ensuring even the trickiest recipes blend consistently. Cleanup is effortless thanks to a quick self-clean cycle and dishwasher-safe jar. The only trade-offs? It's loud at full power and commands a premium price. But if you want the fastest, most intelligent, and most durable blender on the market, the Designer 725 delivers an unmatched blend of performance and technology.
And that wraps up our 2025 countdown of the best blenders for smoothies and more. From compact budget picks to premium machines that can handle anything you throw at them. Whether you're chasing the perfect green smoothie, crushing ice for frozen cocktails, or crafting gourmet sauces, there's a model here to match your needs and your budget. Which one would you put on your counter?